One more thing is there, some cell organelles. Cell organelles means if we talk about the multicellular or the eukaryotic cells, so there is different type of smallest organs of the cell present inside the cell or the cytoplasm, which functions different type of perform different type of functions, that is known as the cell organelles. Like it can be Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes, different type of parts. So these are the structure of the cell. If we talk about a simple cell, the structure of cell means cell has a particular controlling system, that is known as the nucleus. In nucleus there is a particular genetic material called DNA or RNA. After then, outside of the nucleus, that is called the cytoplasm. Outside of the cytoplasmal layer membrane, that is known as the plasma membrane, and the another outside layer of the plasma membrane, that is known as cell wall. So that is a normal simple cell structure, means cell is made up of these different type of particles or different type of parts. After then, if we talk about the types of the cell, basically types of the cell means cell according to organism there are two types of cell, like plant cell or animal cell. But here, according to the nucleus the in the on the basis of the present or absent of nucleus, so there are two types of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cell means the cell which does not have nucleus is absent. Prokaryotic means also, pro means primitive type of cell. Primitive means the starting or very ancient. So primitive cell does not have any nucleus. So prokaryotic cell means which does not have nucleus, known as the prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, the cell which have a true nucleus. Eukaryotic, eu means true means a complete nucleus, like this. So which has the complete nucleus, that is known as the eukaryotic cell. How can we differentiate between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic? For example, that is the eukaryotic means we can see here the complete nucleus and the nuclear membrane around the nucleus, nucleoplasm and RNA or DNA. If we talk about prokaryotic, so here is a particular cell and that is only the RNA or DNA, and there is no complete nuclear membrane. It is only like a nucleus, but it's not the complete nucleus. That is known as the prokaryotic cell because it does not the complete nucleus. After then, organisms related to the cell are also divided into two parts, like unicellular and multicellular. Uni means single, cellular means which have a cell. So unicellular means the organism which have only single cell called unicellular. Organism which have multi means more than one or maximum type of cells, that is known as multicellular, means which has more than one cell, that is known as the multicellular organisms. Now if we talk about the cell theory, what is the cell theory? Cell theory, basically some scientists, especially Schleiden and Swan, discovered some cell theories, means they write about the cells that there are main things that cell also have. Like first thing, all the living organisms are made up of cell. मेन थिंग इज़ दैट ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं वो सेल से ही मिलके बनेंगे, बिना सेल के नहीं बन सकते. सेल इज़ द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. मीन्स जितने भी फंक्शंस होते हैं बॉडी में, सारी चीज़ें सेलुलर लेवल पे होती है, सेल पे जाके होती है, उसके बाहर नहीं होती. आफ्टर देन ऑल सेल कम फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल्स. मीन्स बॉडी में कोई भी न्यू सेल बनती है तो वो पहले की किसी सेल से ही बनती है, ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं बनती है. कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म जो बनता है वो पहले की सेल से ही मिलके बनता है या उससे डिवाइड होके बनता है. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज द सेल थ्योरी. All the organisms are made up of cell. Cell is a fundamental unit of life, and the new cell comes from the pre-existing cell. So here we learnt about the cellular level or the different structure of the cells. After that we will learn about the different organelles of the cells, like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, ribosomes, RNA, DNA. So in the next video we will learn about it. Thank you.